dashboard slash workspace. So currently it's in OGP's brand colors, like the bright blue. But say if I were working on FormSG and I wanted to use it, then I would just click on the FormSG theme button. And you can see that it changes, like the styles change to FormSG. And then if I wanted to change it to Ascaf, it will do that, and Isomer. So this is like a really great way for us to be able to share components across multiple brands. So this is what we have currently for the MVP for designers. And the next step for us would be like implementation and also like convincing other people to use the design system. So I'll pass on to Kari to talk about that.
Yeah, so I'm Kari, and these are the people that worked on the design system for the engineering side, this hackathon. Right. So you can actually take a look at our storybook, which is just a repository of all the components that exist so far today in the design system. And I'll show you how it has been used this hackathon to speed up development process and have a consistent and professional loop. Right. So we use storybook, and then you can see that this is basically what Pearly has shown you just now in Figma, but actually in code. You can actually play with it. You can click and test it and check its accessibility. And we actually published it on NPM, which is an open source package repository system where anyone can use it. Right. So this is what is going on in the hackathon. People have actually started using it in hackathon to like speed up their design. Right. So there are some spoilers here, which will be in the later presentations, but you can see that KLG is used the design system, ResourceIG is used the design system, and even memos, right? And even if you are using an existing design system, you can incorporate and import in design systems. Where's our pointer? Yeah, design systems components that like the header and the footer. Yeah, we also allow non-engineers to update the design guidelines, like what Pearly has shown, the do's and don'ts, so that other people can also look at it without having to have access to the Figma file. Yeah, so these are the goals that hopefully I've achieved during the hackathon, to have a consistent and professional base application that conveys our design and has easy to override theme tokens that other people can use. And so these are some of our next steps. We want to clean it up and more components as the designers add them. We also want to have dark and light mode, but this will be done after the hackathon. Yeah, so this is the end. Thank you for it. You can please take a look.
Thanks so much, Pearly and Karwei.